Imagine this scenario. You have two investors. Both invest the same amount of money, buy similar ETFs, and earn similar returns for 30 years. Yet one retires with hundreds of thousands of dollars more. The difference isn't how much they invested. It's where they invested it. That's the power of a Roth IRA. Every dollar of growth inside a Roth IRA can potentially be withdrawn completely tax-free in retirement. No taxes on dividends, no taxes on capital gains, and no taxes when you take the money out. And that's exactly where many investors fall into a costly trap. They load their Roth IRA with flashy funds promising massive yields and effortless income. It sounds great on paper, but while they're chasing payouts, they're often sacrificing the one thing that makes a Roth IRA so powerful: tax-free compounding. If you're going to shelter investments from taxes, it often makes more sense to protect your most stable and highest growth assets. Yes, those ones powering the US economy for years. So today, let's look at 5 ETFs that could be ideal for that strategy and fuel your wealth potential. ETF number 1, VGT. The first ETF that belongs in a Roth IRA is a growth-focused fund, and the best option is VGT. This ETF is packed with some of the most dominant companies on the planet, including Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, and other strong businesses. Rather than paying out large dividends, these companies typically reinvest their profits back into innovation, expansion, and growth. That's exactly what you want inside a Roth IRA. Remember, every dollar of growth generated inside a Roth IRA can potentially be withdrawn completely tax-free in retirement. So if you're going to protect an asset from taxes, it makes sense to shelter the one with the highest growth potential. Historically, growth-focused companies have delivered some of the strongest long-term returns in the stock market. However, the trade-off is volatility. Growth ETFs like VGT can experience much larger declines than broad market funds. But if you're young and have decades before retirement, that volatility may simply be the price of admission for significantly higher long-term returns. Just look at this. VGT has generated an annualized return of roughly 15% over the long term. A $10,000 investment growing at that rate could potentially become more than $660,000 over 30 years, a gain of over 6,500%. And because it's inside a Roth IRA, every dollar of that growth could potentially be withdrawn completely tax-free in retirement. ETF number 2, VTI. VTI gives you ownership of virtually the entire US stock market in a single ETF. With exposure to more than 3,500 companies, including large-cap giants, fast-growing mid-caps, and emerging small-cap businesses, it offers a level of diversification that's difficult to match. What makes VTI so powerful is its ability to blend growth and diversification into one simple investment. You're not betting on a handful of companies or a single sector. Instead, you're investing in the collective growth of American business as a whole. If you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it ETF that can serve as the foundation of a portfolio for decades, VTI is one of the strongest core holdings available. ETF number 3, SPY. SPY tracks the S&P 500, giving you ownership of 500 of the largest and most successful companies in America. From technology giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia to leaders across healthcare, finance, and consumer goods, the fund represents the backbone of the U.S. economy. Over the long term, the S&P 500 has delivered approximately 11% annualized returns, transforming ordinary investors into millionaires through the power of patience and compounding. What makes this fund so compelling is its simplicity. With ultra-low fees, broad diversification, and a decades-long track record of wealth creation, they remain among the most effective investment vehicles ever created. ETF number 4, VXUS. This fund gives you exposure to thousands of companies outside the United States, with holdings across developed and emerging markets, including countries such as Japan, India, Germany, Brazil, the United Kingdom, and many others. VXUS allows you to participate in global growth wherever it occurs. That's why international diversification remains so valuable. Rather than betting everything on one country, VXUS spreads your investments across the global economy, providing exposure to new industries, emerging consumer markets, and future growth opportunities that may not exist in the United States. ETF number 5, JEPI or SCHD. Both of these are popular dividend-focused ETFs, but they serve slightly different purposes. JEPI is more income-oriented, designed to generate higher current cash flow, while SCHD takes a more balanced approach, combining solid dividend income with long-term dividend growth potential. Adding a dividend ETF inside your Roth IRA can be a powerful strategy. The income produced, whether monthly from JEPI or quarterly from SCHD, can be reinvested to purchase more shares of your core growth ETFs. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly accelerate portfolio growth. JEPI pays income monthly, making it attractive if your focus is consistent cash flow. SCHD pays quarterly and tends to emphasize higher quality companies with stronger long-term dividend growth. The choice ultimately depends on your goal: pure income with JEPI or a blend of income and growth with SCHD. If you enjoy this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing and ETF content.